We meet again with me, Chef Raihan, and I'm gonna make the third dish. The third dish is chicken shawarma. We have cinnamon, black pepper, cumin, onion powder, chili flake, paprika powder, pepper, yogurt, and olive oil. First thing first to do is we're gonna make the spice first. Okay. The spice is for marinate the chicken and then we roast it in the oven. First thing first, just a little bit of cinnamon. Black pepper, cumin, onion powder, chili powder for the heat, pepper, paprika powder. We mix all together. And the last one, olive oil. Marinade is done. Let's prepare the chicken breast first. As you can see, the chicken breast is too tight. We just cut in half. And each side, we just slice a little bit so the marinade is full covered. When the chicken is done, we marinate them. Don't be afraid, just use your hand. We do the traditional way. Okay. The marinade is done and we just wait about 10 minutes. Okay. While we're waiting for the chicken for the marinade, let's go make the yogurt sauce. It's really simple. You just need Greek yogurt, all of it. A little bit mince of garlic. We put the garlic in. And then some of lime juice, okay? We put here first. Okay. And some of chopped parsley. And we just put right in. And then we mix it. And the chicken is done for the marination and we grill it. Chicken is done and then let's go grill it. We just bake it for about 10 minutes. While we wait the chicken for the broil, it's about 10 minutes. We prepare the condiment for the shawarmas. First, we chop some onion. For the condiment is the pickles. If you don't have the pickles at home, you can use cucumber, zucchini, or anything else. It also will be good. Just slice thin. All the condiment is done. Let's go check the chicken. The chicken is ready. You can smell the aroma, all the spice, the herbs, everything. Let's go wrap it up. As you can see, the chicken is really tender, so it's perfectly cooked for the shawarmas. The chicken is done, condiment is done. Let's go wrap it with tortillas. Chicken is in place, and we're gonna put the yogurt. And then we put the condiment that we prepared before, the onion, and then the tomatoes. The last piece is the pickles. And let's go wrap it up. The chicken shawarma is done, and then let's go grill it. Put it in here, let it heat. Chicken shawarma is basically a complete main course, because if you wanna searching for carbo, tortilla. If you wanna searching for protein, it's already in the chicken. And then all the vegetable like the onion, tomatoes, and the pickles, everything complete. It needs a little bit of time for grill it. You not do for the long time because it's really hot and make the tortillas burn. So you must almost check it every time, and then you roll it to each side. The chicken shawarma is done, and then let's go plating. The most exciting things when you cook something is when you're plating. You can share your ideas, your perspective of the food. And it's done. Chicken shawarma. See you on next episode with me, Chef Raihan, only on Satisfactory. Cook healthy, cook happy.